Some of us doing media work, it's quite tough for us sometimes to see a good deal on a Sunday morning and we reject it. No, sometimes we don't reject jobs. So we have to go. Both sound engineers, photographers, cinematographers, all these guys, even the guys doing streaming self, when they have job on a Sunday morning, they want to go. So now I've decided that in my church, I have the teenagers, running things for us, and they are doing well. They are not perfect, yes, but they are doing well. So in order for them to get perfect, so I decided that I'm going to be training them. So which I'm also inviting you, if you have your teenagers that you want to train in the area of photography, video recording, live streaming, including sound, you know, comment in the comment section. We are going to create maybe 1 week uh, in August where we are going to do this training for them so that they can hold down the service when the guys are out on a job. This training is going to be free. Share this video to anybody that you feel will be interested in this training. Training is free. Location Ikeja. I hope you get the point now.
Your will, Father, let your will alone, not the will of man, not my own will, not the will of anybody here, but you alone, Lord. Let your will be done in our midst.